Imagine navigating a world where every interaction you have is intentional, meaningful, and deeply connected. This is the power of self awareness in relationships. When you truly understand yourself, it opens the door to understanding others, fostering connections that are rich, fulfilling, and transformative. Welcome to yet another episode of our 100 Days of Self Coaching series. Today, let's explore how self awareness can revolutionize the way we relate to the people in our lives. Awareness of self is not just about understanding yourself, it's also about recognizing how your behaviors, emotions, and attitudes impact those around you. In relationships, whether personal or professional, self awareness allows for greater empathy, communication, or may I say effective communication and connection. Lawrence Bossidy said that self awareness gives you the capacity to learn from your mistakes as well as your successes. It enables you to keep growing. Some tips how to enhance relationships through self awareness. Active listening comes on number one. Truly listening to others without planning your response while they are talking. This shows respect and make others feel valued. And you are able to listen properly what they said. Empathy. Try to understand things from other person's perspective. Empathy can bridge gaps in understanding and improve your relationships. Nonverbal cues. Pay attention to body language, tone of voice, facial expressions, both yours and others. Nonverbal communication often conveys more than words. I have read a book, Nonviolent Communication. It's a wonderful book. I know it's not non-verbal, it's non-violent, but when you read it, you understand the importance of communication. Open and honest communication comes on next. Be open about your thoughts and feelings and encourage others to do the same. Honest communication builds trust and strengthens relationships. Reflecting on interactions also helps. Take some time to reflect on how you felt and why. Consider how your actions and words might have impacted the other person. Let's take a small example here. I'll start with the positive impact of having the self awareness. So there's a person called Sarah, a school teacher and a mother of two. She practices self awareness by regularly reflecting on her actions and emotions. She understands that she tends to get stressed during busy mornings. So, she makes a conscious effort to wake up a bit earlier to prepare. This small adjustment allow her to start the day calmly, which positively affects her interactions with her family. Sarah's self-awareness help her recognize when she needs a break, and she communicates her needs effectively to her partner. As a result, their relationship is built on mutual understanding and respect. Her self awareness also enables her to empathize with her children's feelings, fostering a nurturing and supportive home environment. On the other hand, just take the same example, and Sarah is not very self aware. She struggles with the self awareness in her personal life and often reacts angrily to minor inconveniences without understanding why. She often projects her stress from work on family and which leads to the arguments with her spouse and children. She's unaware of her tone and voice and body language and can come across intimidating, which creates a tense and uncomfortable home atmosphere. Her lack of self awareness makes it difficult for her to see her role in these conflicts, leading to a cycle of misunderstanding and resentment. So she suffers, her relationship suffers, and her family feels disconnected and unsupported. See how self awareness can profoundly impact personal relationships, either fostering a supportive and understanding environment or leading to a conflict and disconnection. Let's see some self coaching questions for today. How do my emotions and behaviors impact my relationships? What steps can I take to improve my communication with others? How can I use self awareness to better understand and empathize with those around me? Self awareness is a powerful tool, as we are repeatedly saying. It's a superpower that can profoundly impact yourself and the people around you, your relationships. By understanding yourself better, you can connect with others more deeply and meaningful. In our next episode, we'll explore tools for increasing self awareness and reflection. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on self coaching. Thank you.